Right people, so today's video is going to be a bit more different. It's going to be like a POV drive sound video. I did a voting poll on my Instagram the other day, and some of you guys will avoid in it as well if you follow me on there. I asked whether or not you guys wanted a sort of sound video on the RS3 that I just drove, the sort of 510 PS one, like a sound and POV video. Because I'm sure some of you guys noticed I do insert a lot of those clips into my full sort of review videos like that. But this video is going to be sort of the combination of all of those clips. Like, it's going to be basically uncut, you can put it that way. There are a lot of clips that I do hold back, which I want to show you guys, including what's in the title as well. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, if you sort of like these sort of videos, do let me know in the sort of comments below. And yeah, just give the video a thumbs up. And also another thing I wanted to say, I've been making videos for over a year now, and I've never actually said thank you to you guys in a video properly. It's crazy, we're nearly at 25k subs. Never expected that. Just over a year we've reached that, even with my sort of ad hoc video schedule, you can put it that way. But yeah, I love the support you guys give me. Just wanted to put that out there. I do generally appreciate it. I just love the fact that I get to talk to sort of like-minded car guys like you lot. Plenty to come this year. In a few months time I'll be able to stick to a proper sort of schedule. For now, bear with me. I've got a few other things going on, but yeah, soon we're going to get to a proper sort of schedule where I'll give you guys some proper content. But for now guys, enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, or if you do enjoy it, that is. I can't force you. But yeah, and subscribe for plenty more videos to come. A lot in that sort of pipeline, but yeah, you'll see for yourself. Enough of me talking. Enjoy the video.